Hello everyone, welcome back to Razia'z 7ly Maths. Now, in this video, we will discuss the topic some applications of trigonometry. And you know that only one exercise is there in the textbook. In our textbook, one exercise is this chapter. Okay, so what the chapter is discussing actually is, it is something which is related to trigonometry. Actually, trigonometric principles that is trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities and all things. And now we have to apply this particular thing, that is the principles we studied in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry in this chapter. Okay, and in this chapter you will be provided with real world scenarios. Namukku real world scenarios that is word problems provide. Appo idil nammal endha cheyendathu? Idil ninnum nammal endu cheyanam? If we have to apply trigonometry there, what you have to do is you need a right angle triangle there, right? Okay, namukku oru right angle triangle undengil maatrame oru trigonometric principle avada apply cheyan pattullu. Nammal ippo padichu nikkunna aa oru level anusarichittu. So when you are provided with the word problem, first you have to transform or translate that particular word problem into diagram. Okay, where we can construct right angle triangles. Right angle triangles construct cheyathakka reethiyil namukku thanittulla word problem ine nammal endu cheyanam, we have to transform. Okay, so diagrammatically transform the situation given in the question so that we will get a right angle triangle inside the diagram. In fact, one right angle triangle alla. First we will move on with the construction of one right angle triangle. Then nammal simple to complex or concrete to abstract level lekana pokkondirikkunnathu, and simple to complex level of questions from this chapter or abstract level of questions from this chapter involve combination of right angle triangles. Right angle triangles in the combination ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക, അല്ലാന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മറ്റുള്ള geometric shapes in the combination along with right angle triangle. ഈ രീതിയിലായിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. So നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ്, first we will construct using one right angle triangle. So we will see how will we do that, and let us move on with the first question from the exercise 9.1. Okay, so the question is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഒരു സർക്കസ് ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. He is climbing a 20-meter long rope. ഒരു 20 മീറ്റർ നീളമുള്ള ഒരു റോപ്പിലൂടെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാണ്? ക്ലൈംബ് ചെയ്യാണ്. And which is tightly stretched. ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്? Tightly stretch ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ് and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So according to the detailing, I understood that there is a vertical pole there. Okay, നമുക്ക് എന്തുണ്ട്? ഒരു vertical pole ഉണ്ട്. So suppose this is a vertical pole I am talking about, and അത് എവിടെയാണുള്ളത്? is on the ground, അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിനാണുള്ളത്. So I am considering a ground, okay, a horizontal line that represents the ground there. നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഫ്രം എ പോയിന്റ്, നമുക്ക് എന്തുണ്ട്? ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്നും എന്ത് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്? ഈ റോപ്പിനെ സ്ട്രെച്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്, സ്ട്രെച്ച് ചെയ്ത് ടൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്, അല്ലെ? സോ ഫ്രം ദ പോയിന്റ് ഓൺ ദ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഐ എം കൺസിഡറിങ് എ പോയിന്റ് ഓൺ ദ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ സപ്പോസ് this is A, this is B, and this is G. Okay, point on the ground is considered as the point G there according to my figure. That is a 20-meter long rope is tied from the top of the pole to the ground. Okay, the point on the ground. So nammal adu construct cheyyumbodthekkum what we will get is like this. That is, we will get a right angle triangle there. When I translate the given question diagrammatically, I got a right angle triangle there. So I am going to mark the details. That is, we have a 20-meter long rope. Okay, so this is the 20-meter long rope we are now talking about, and which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. This is a vertical pole we are talking about. Okay, vertical pole we can consider it will make an angle of 90 degree between. Okay, it will make an angle of 90 degree with the ground. Okay, with the ground. So namukku parayan pattum, this is 90 degree in measurement. And find the height of the pole. We have to find the height of the pole, that is AB. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So this is the ground level, okay, and this is the rope, and it makes an angle of 30 degree. Okay, it makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So you have to find the height of the pole. That is, according to my figure, I have to find the length of the side AB of the right angle triangle ABG. Is it clear? Okay, so how will we move forward? Move forward here. The first thing you have to identify is, whenever you are writing something, specify the right angle triangle you are taking there. We will the right angle triangle specify because I already told this is only one right angle triangle, but moving with complex or abstract level of questions from the same chapter, we combination of right angle triangles will be there. So whenever you are answering the question involving these kind of questions from the same chapter, what you can do is, whenever you are writing something, specify the right angle triangle there. In right angle triangle ABG. I am taking the right angle triangle ABG. Okay, so first thing you have to note is, which is the angle provided to you other than 90 degree inside the right angle triangle. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള right angle triangle 90 degree അല്ലാത്ത provide ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള angle ഏതാണ്? നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ആരാണ്? This is the right angle triangle and 90 degree അല്ലാത്ത angle is 30 degree. Okay, 90 degree ഇല്ലാത്ത angle ആരാണ്? 30 degree ആണ്. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾ move on ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, which is the side provided to you. Okay, which is the side provided to you. So let me see AG. AG is the side that is provided to me. And according to this angle, who is this side? This angle is side Our side hypotenuse hypotenuse and which side is needed by you? This side okay, I need the length of this vertical pole actually, and this is the line segment AB according to my figure, and it is a side which is opposite to the 30 degree angle. Nammude 30 degree angle inde opposite aayittulla side aanu. So namukku connect cheyyam. Opposite side is a side we needed, and hypotenuse is directly given in the question. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Which trigonometric ratio? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. It is sine. So take sine here. Sine 30. Opposite side AB divided by hypotenuse, which is given by AG. Is it clear? Okay, this is the right way of taking the ratio from the diagram. Okay, first identify the right angle triangle you are taking, and in right angle triangle ABG, first take the angle which is other than 90 degree inside the right angle triangle, and that is 30 degree measurement. Okay, and next you have to see which side is provided to you and which side you needed to find. ഏത് സൈഡാണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്, ഏത് സൈഡിന്റെ മെഷർമെന്റ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഇത് രണ്ടും വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ട്രിഗണോമെട്രിക് റേഷ്യോ ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാം. എനിക്ക് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത് ഹൈപ്പോട്ടിന്യൂസ്, എനിക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ്. സോ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ് ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടിന്യൂസ്. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തിരിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുക hypotenuse divided by opposite. That is upon you. Okay, your convenience of taking the trigonometric ratio, that is actually literally upon you. Okay, so I can say that opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is the most convenient way of taking the trigonometric ratio for me actually. And sine edukanana korchude elpam sec nekal. So that's why I am opting for sine there. Sine 30 is equal to AB divided by AG. So what is the value of sine 30 according to the trigonometric ratio table? Trigonometric ratio table അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് sin 30 യുടെ വാല്യൂ വരുന്നത് എത്രയാണ്? It's 1/2. എന്താണ്? 1/2 ആണ് നമുക്ക് വരിക. So 1/2 is equal to, what is AB here? I don't know what is AB. So I am putting AB there. Okay. And I know the value of AG from the figure. What is the value of AG? I can say that, okay, AG is equal to 20 meter. So I am writing 20 meter. Okay. So next I am cross multiplying this. That is 1 into 20 is equal to 20, and 2 into AB is equal to 2AB. From this I can find AB is equal to 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 meter. So I have got the value of the length of the pole. Okay, the vertical pole. Adinte height etrayana namukku kitti. That is the length of the side AB according to the diagram. Okay, so എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തത്? It's a simple question actually. എന്താണ്? One right angle triangle മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടി വരുന്നുള്ളൂ. So it's pretty simple actually. So നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും? First translate the word problem into diagram so that we will get a right angle triangle there. And after that, specify the right angle triangle you are taking from the diagram there. Next, what you have to do is identify the angle other than 90 degree provided inside the right angle triangle. നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള right angle triangle 90 degree അല്ലാത്ത angle ഏതാണ് അതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, identify ചെയ്യുക. So 30 degree. Okay, then identify the side which is provided to you and identify the side you needed to find out. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയപ്പോഴത്തെ according to my figure hypotenuse is provided and I need the opposite side of the 30 degree angle. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse is given by the trigonometric ratio sine. So I took sine there. Okay, and on the left side of the equation I took sine 30 and on the right side of the equation adinte correct ratio, the sides ratio of the side is taken accordingly. Idu ithrayum cheyadane shesham all you have to do is substitute the values from the figure, okay, directly there, and you can do manipulations involving mathematical operations and you will get the desired result there. So namukku kittunna endana AB is equal to 10 meter. Clear? Okay, so let us move to the second question from the exercise. എന്താ പറയാ, a tree breaks due to storm. ഒരു tree ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Okay, so suppose this is the tree I am talking about. Okay, so let us draw a tree first. And ഈ tree എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ഒരു സ്റ്റോമില് ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ഇതിങ്ങനെ ഒടിഞ്ഞുപോയി, broken apart and bent so that the top of the tree touches the ground making an angle of 30 degree. For suppose I am considering this is the height. Okay, suppose this is the height of the tree I am talking about, the total height of the tree I am talking about, and I am making it as okay A B. Okay, A B. And nammalodu parayunu idu endu cheyidu, after the storm idu endu cheyidu, idu broke ആയി. Okay, suppose I am considering this point of break endana njan ee point aayittu consider cheyiyana. So ipo idu endaayittu mari, the entire height of the tree endaayittu mari, two parts aayittu mari. So I am taking it as x, idine njan x ennu vilikkunnu, I am taking this as y there. Okay, idine x ennu idine y ennu vilikana. So we do have a ground level there. Okay, so njan a ground level varakkam. Okay, this is the ground level I am talking about. I am marking it as G. BG is my ground. ഇനി നമ്മളോട് എന്താ പറയാ, the top of the tree touches the ground making an angle of 30 degree with it. അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ചിന്തിക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ മുതലായിരിക്കും നോക്കുന്നത് the top of the tree touches the ground making, and നിങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് വരയ്ക്കും, and that is wrong. അത് തെറ്റാണ്. എന്താ നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നത്, ഈ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, എന്ത് പറ്റി, എ ട്രീ ബ്രേക്സ് ഡ്യൂ ടു സ്റ്റോമിൽ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തു, ആൻഡ് ദ ബ്രോക്കൺ പാർട്ട് ബെൻഡ്സ് so that it will make. Okay, ഈ ബ്രോക്ക് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷമുള്ള ട്രീയുടെ ടോപ്പ് ഭാഗം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സി ആണ്. അതിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന ഇൻക്ലൈൻഡ് ആംഗിൾ ആണ് 30 ഡിഗ്രി. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് പ്രൊവൈഡഡ് ഇൻ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Okay, so don't draw like this. ഈ രീതിയിൽ വരച്ചിട്ട് don't mark this as 30 degree. That is wrong. അത് തെറ്റാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, so what you have to do is നമ്മൾ ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വായിക്കുക. ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്മളെ തെറ്റിദ്ധരിപ്പിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. എന്താ നമ്മൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വായിച്ച, എ ട്രീ breaks due to storm and the broken part bends. The broken part bends so that, okay, ഇതാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, that makes an angle of 30 degree, okay, with a point on the ground. This is the actual figure. Is it clear? Okay, so upon a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground making an angle of 30 degree with it, and the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So this is 8 meter. Okay, find the height of the tree. So we need to find the value of AB. Okay, AB. So according to my figure, I can say that it is x plus y actually. Okay, x plus y, because I have take this part as x and this part as y there. നിങ്ങൾ ചിന്തിച്ചു നോക്കിയാൽ ഈ ഭാഗമല്ലേ ഇങ്ങനെ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് ഇൻക്ലൈൻഡ് ആയത് ആണല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് വാസ് ദ എൻറ്റയർ ഹൈറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ട്രീ ആൻഡ് ഇതാണ് പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ബ്രേക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മുകളിലേക്ക് ഈ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഈ ഭാഗമാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്തത്, ഈ ബെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഐ ക്യാൻ സേ ദിസ് ഇസ് ഓൾസോ എക്സ്. Any doubt in that? So I have got a right angle triangle there. Adil eniki 90 degree illatha oru angle undu, oru side undu. So that you can find all the remaining sides of the right angle triangle there. So what you have to do is, take like this. In right angled triangle CBG. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. Actually, I am talking about CBG. The angle other than 90 degree. Arana 30 degree ആണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. And നമുക്ക് measurement ഉള്ള side നോക്കേ. Measurement ഉള്ള side. The side which is provided to you is its adjacent side. Okay. And the side you have to find. Actually, you need to find these two sides. So, you can opt for any case first. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ആദ്യം എടുക്കുന്നത്, I am going to find the value of x. Okay. So, എനിക്ക് provide ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള side is its adjacent side. Adjacent side. And എനിക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട side is its hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse is given by the trigonometric ratio cos. Okay, so I am taking cos here. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side, which is BG according to my figure, divided by the hypotenuse is given by CG. Okay, so what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 divided by 2, which is equal to BG. What is the value of BG? It is 8. Divided by what is CG? I don't know. That is adana eniki kandupidikkendathu alle. So that implies I can say that okay, CG is equal to 2 into 8, which is equal to 16 divided by root 3. 16 divided by root 3 meter. So this is the value of CG according to my figure. Okay, and I can say that CG which is equivalent to x alle. X in equivalent aanu. Okay, so x is equal to 16 divided by root 3 meter. Now I need the measurement of y according to my figure. Okay, y the value namukku next kandupidikanam. So noike endha namukku cheyanayittu patta, in right angled triangle, okay, in right angle triangle CBG, the angle other than 90 degree provided to you is 30 degree. Okay, and you know the measurement of which side? The adjacent side. Okay, and this is the opposite side. Y the value alle vendathu, y ennu parayunna aa oru side according to the angle 30 degree there, I can say it is its opposite side. Okay, so opposite side and adjacent side. So opposite side divided by adjacent side is given by the trigonometric ratio tan. Okay, so I am taking tan. Tan edukunu, opposite side is BC. Okay, divided by adjacent side is BG. Okay, BC divided by BG. So what is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by root 3. And what is the value of BC? I don't know. That is I have to find. Okay, BC divided by, what is the value of BG? Okay, BG is 8. So I will get the value of BC. BC as, okay, root 3 into BC is equal to 8. So 8 by root 3. So BC is equal to 8 by root 3 meter. That is, I can say that y, the value of y is 8 divided by root 3 meter. Okay, so actually you need to find the height of the tree. Okay, and according to my figure, I can say that height of the tree is given by x plus y. And I have got the individual values of x and y there. So what I have to do is add them together and you will get the height of the tree there. Okay, so x plus y, which is given by 16 divided by root 3 plus 8 divided by root 3, and you will get 16. You know that these two fractions, when comparing these two fractions, the denominators are same, so that you can move on with the operation on the numerator directly there. So 16 divided by root 3 plus 8 by root 3 is equal to 24 divided by root 3. So namukku ivide kittiya fraction, adinte denominator is a irrational number. So what you have to do is make it rational. Rationalize the denominator of the fraction, then you will get like into root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, so you will see like 24 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay, so this will cancel each other, and 8 root 3 meter. 8 root 3 meter is the height of the tree. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ആ ഒരു സ്റ്റോമിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ബ്രേക്ക് ആയി ബെൻഡ് ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ട ആ ട്രീയുടെ എൻറ്റയർ ഹൈറ്റ് ഇസ് 8 root 3 meter. ചില സമയങ്ങളിൽ ദിസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വിൽ ബി ആസ്ക്ഡ് ലൈക്ക്, ഓക്കെ, ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഹൈറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ട്രീ, ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് correct it to 1 or 2 decimal places. ആ രീതിയിലാണ് വരുന്നതെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you have to substitute the value of root 3 there. 1.73 substitute ചെയ്യുക, അതിന്റെ ആ ഒരു ഡെസിമൽ ഫോമിനെ ട്രാൻസ്ഫോം ചെയ്ത് എടുത്തിട്ട് correct to 1 or 2 decimal places according to the question. Okay, clear? Okay, so let us move to the third question from the same exercise. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Okay, so you know, നമ്മുടെ പാർക്കിലേക്കുള്ള സ്ലൈഡ്സിനെ നമ്മൾ കാണാറില്ലേ? Yes. Okay, for the children below the age of 5 years, okay, 5 വയസ്സിൽ താഴെയുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Okay, so actually നമ്മളവിടെ നോക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും what we need to construct is a right angle triangle. Okay, എന്താ അവിടെ പറയുന്നത്? നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് for the younger children. Okay, കുഞ്ഞു കുട്ടികൾക്കുള്ള കാര്യമാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുക. ഞാൻ I am considering this as ABC. Okay, ABC and നമുക്ക് പറയാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും ഇതിന്റെ ഹൈറ്റ് പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്ത ഹൈറ്റ് is 1.5 meter. Okay, സ്ലൈഡിന്റെ പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്ത ഹൈറ്റ് is 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Okay, so this is the figure of the first case there. Okay, first തന്നിട്ടുള്ള സിറ്റുവേഷന്റെ ഫിഗർ ഇതാണ്. And നമുക്ക് അടുത്തത് and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. Okay, ഈ പറയുന്നതിന്റെ ഇരട്ടി ഹൈറ്റ് ആണ് വരുന്നത് 3 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. Okay, so we need to construct another right angle triangle there. Okay, മറ്റൊരു right angle triangle നമുക്ക് വരയ്ക്കണം and mark it as PQR. I am going to mark it as PQR and the preferred height is 3 meter. Okay, and the angle, okay, the slide is inclined to the ground at an angle of 60 degree. So this is the conditions given in the question and what you need to find out is what should be the length of the slide in each case. So you need to find the value of AC from this figure and you need to find the value of PR from the second figure. That is all you have to do. Okay, so appo nammal endha cheya AC. I am taking the case of the first right angle triangle there. In right angle triangle ABC, okay, ABC, the angle which is other than 90 degree, arana 30 degree, okay, 30 degree, and the side which is provided to you is its opposite side, okay, and namukku kandupidikenda side, the side you needed is this, okay, AC. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse is given by the trigonometric ratio sine. So sine 30 is equal to AB divided by AC according to the figure. So eniki parameter, what is the value of sine 30? It is 1/2 which is equal to AB. AB is 1.5 meter divided by AC. So from this I will go to AC as 1.5 into 2 which is equal to 3. Okay, so 1.5 into 2 which is equal to 3 meters. So the height, okay, so slide in the length എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എത്രയാണ് 3 meter. ആർക്കാണ് younger children. The same thing you have to do in this figure also. എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? First consider the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle PQR, okay, in right angle triangle PQR, the angle other than 90 degree is 60 degree in measurement. Okay, and the side provided to you is its opposite side, that is PQ, and the side you have to find is PR, that is hypotenuse. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse is given by sine. Okay, and the value of sine 60 is root 3/2 which is equal to PQ. PQ is actually 3 meter divided by PR. PR we don't know, we need to find the value of PR actually. Okay, so from this I can say PR is equal to 6 divided by root 3. So rationalize the denominator, multiply it with root 3. So you will get 6 root 3 divided by 3 and this 3 and this 6 will cancel each other and you will get 2 root 3 meter as the length of the slide for the elder children. എൽഡർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കാൻ പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഹൈറ്റ് അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് വരേണ്ട, ഓക്കെ, പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഹൈറ്റും ആൻഡ് ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് ഇൻക്ലൈൻഡ് ചെയ്ത ആംഗിളും അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് അതിന് വരേണ്ട സ്ലൈഡിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എത്രയാണ്? 2 root 3 meter. Clear?